Whether you're a homeowner, tenant or property management company, current water metering and billing processes are often inefficient, inaccurate and costly. With SmartView's water utility software, all stakeholders have remote access to critical information, which allows them to manage water resources reliably and cost-effectively. Water usage is displayed on an easy-to-use web dashboard. Or on our mobile phone application. It is also possible to link multiple sub-meters to bulk meters via this dashboard. Water consumption is recorded in the morning, afternoon and evening to give you a continuous daily view in liters with associated costs. Data is drawn down from your set billing date to give you a quick view of critical information, including your current month usage and your estimated month-end usage, in both kiloliters and rand charges based on the tariffs by respective municipalities. These can also be compared against the previous month's consumption. Sewage usage, a percentage of your current consumption based on respective municipality tariffs, is also displayed. Water usage can be quickly and easily compared. With data compiled diagrammatically for swift identification of any irregularities. Water leaks and burst pipes are detected by abnormal consumption patterns, with notifications sent to your dashboard on email, via push notification, or via SMS to alert you. Use SmartView's water utility software today for contactless, accurate and efficient reporting of water consumption. White labeling of software is optional.